unconventional machining or non-traditional machining process. The non-traditional machining process classified into three categories. The first one is a mechanical based, thermal, chemical and electrochemical. Mechanical, ultrasonic machining, water jet machinings, abrasive water jet machinings, IJ. Thermal based EDM, EBM, LBM, IBM, PBM. Chemical based CHM, PCM, ECM. These are the classification of non-traditional processing machines. Mechanical machining, ultrasonic machining USM and water jet machining WJM are typical examples of single actions. A mechanical non-traditional machining process. The machining medium is solid grain suspended in an abrasive slurry in the former, while a fluid is employed in the water jet machining process. The introduction of abrasive to the fluid jet enhances the machining efficiency and is known as abrasive water jet machining. Similar case happens when ice particles are introduced as ice jet machining. The mechanical non-traditional machinings images. UCM, abrasive slurry and workpiece. But water jet machining, cutting jets, fluid and workpiece. Next one is a thermal machines. The thermal non-traditional process EDM, discharge, plasma, dielectric, workpiece. BPM, plasma gas, gases. EPM, electron beam, electrons, vacuum and workpiece. LBM, laser beam, photons, air and workpiece. The thermal machining removes some materials by melting or vaporizing workpiece material. Many secondary phenomena occur during the machining such as microcracking, formation, heat affected zone, etc. The sources of heat could be plasma as during electric discharge machining and plasma beam machinings, or photons as during LBM, electrons in EBM, ion in EBM, etc. Next one is a chemical and electrochemical machinings. ECM, ECD, ions, CHM, PCM, CD and chemical milling and photochemical machining or photochemical blanking or use a chemical dissolution action to remove the machining allowance through ion in an etchant. Electrochemical machining use electrochemical dissolution spaces to remove the machining allowance using the transfer in electronic cells. Next one is a water jet cuttings, also known as hydrodynamic machines. Use a fine, high pressure, high velocity of water directed at the work surface to cause cutting in work. Abrasive jet machining. In abrasive jet machining, the material removal takes place due to impingement of the fine abrasive particles. The abrasive particles are typically of 0.025 mm diameter and the air discharge at a pressure of several atmospheres. These are the examples: approximate 0.8 mm depth and 0.3 to 0 mm breadth. The air and particle streams. Tip made of tungsten carbide geometry. abrasive jet machines. Examples: next one is ultrasonic machines. As well in this figure is ultrasonic machines. Field force tool, ultrasonic vibration, 20 Hz amplitude, 15 to 20 minutes abrasive steady workpiece.